Hey guys, welcome to the Pixel Gallery widget tutorial. In today's video, we'll talk about the customizations of the Dream Gallery widget. First, let's drag and drop the widget inside the page. Once it drops, the canvas shows scattered images around the container with titles in the middle. Each title is actually a gallery item having multiple images in a set. Going into the next title not only changes the set of images but also slightly changes the scattered image placements. Also, you can click on the Explore button beside each gallery title to get inside a lightbox view that displays the existing images belonging to that specific item or title. Now for the controls, you can see three switchers at the top that lets you show or hide the title, text and date on the gallery. With the image size option, you can customize the dimension of all existing images here. Also, there is a link trigger option at the bottom where we can select a link type like media file and then set a lightbox on it. The next section is the items section where all the gallery items or titles are listed inside. You may add more or reduce some with the controls here. Clicking on an item reveals the options to customize it. First is the gallery images. Let's click on it and select a couple of images for the current item. After that, you can edit the title and then change the description text. Then you can customize the read more text, date and a custom link. So like that, you can customize the rest of the items to complete your image gallery. Now let's jump into the Style tab to customize the appearance of the Dream Gallery. From the first section, you can edit the text color of the titles along with the hover or action color. Skipping padding and margin, let's customize the font style with the typography option. Here you can change the font family, letter size, weight, style, etc. Once you find the perfect font for your gallery titles, you can explore more style options such as text shadow and text stroke. Applying a text shadow in the right way will highlight your titles more. Alright, moving into the read more section now. Let's change the text color, then the hover color and line color. Here the Explore button is the read more button, so let's work on the typography to customize the font. Take your time to make it great. After that, go into the model section. The first subsection is for the image. You can select a border style for the images and set a border width. Also set the border color. Next, switch to the title subsection and change the color of the title. Then you can go for the typography settings and change the font style. Then let's do the same for the texts on the gallery. And repeat it for the dates also. Lastly, customize the close icon color and hover color. Then finish it off with the size adjustments. Now minimize the control panel and check out the final layout. This is how you can create such amazing image galleries with the Dream widget by Pixel Gallery. That's all for now. Hope this video helped. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorials and tips. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.